Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.3.1. The first step is you need to check if you're connected to the proper router. You can check it here on the right under your Wi-Fi settings. If you click on here, you can see I am successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. Go to the search bar here on the left and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now just type in ipconfig and press enter. And here under the default gateway, you can see your current router's IP address. Now you can just copy it, press Ctrl C, open any kind of a browser. In my case, it's Microsoft Edge. And here just paste the IP address to the address bar and press enter. Now you have accessed the login page of your router. For the username, type in admin and the same for the password. Click on login. Now you have successfully entered the admin panel of your router. On the left, you can find all the necessary settings. And in this case, for example, if you want to change your IP address for your router, click on the network, click on LAN, and here is your current IP address that can be edited. If you edit it, just click on save. And once the changes are saved, you can just log out from the admin panel. And that's everything for today. Thank you for attention. Please do not forget to subscribe